Yo, what's up, my pizzas? Today, we're going to be setting a Guinness World Record. Yeah, so basically, I'm going for the world's longest waterfall with a water gun. I got this at a birthday party yesterday.
I went to David Buster's, got a snowball, and got some gum. Connor is
we got to play a basketball game. Big kids versus the little kids. And plus there was pizza, wings.
There are little kids there.
Caleb was the only little kid there. Anyway, so we're gonna do the shot. We're gonna do the shot, but I'm gonna be far away so you guys can see the shot. Wait, no. Taylor, you can shoot the shot. Don't shoot it at the camera.
Wait. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do?
Haley, listen to what I'm talking. Go down.
Okay, we can have that one.
Haley, I'm not going.
What are we gonna do for right here?
I'm about to shoot my shot. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God! Oh my God! It's like it was raining. I don't think that was long enough. We're gonna try again. Let's see if we get it.
My turn. Wait, don't start without me.
I'm not. Of course, it's your turn. Oh my God! Alright, guys, now it's my turn. For the second attempt. Alright, so 3, 2, 1. Oh my God! Oh! It was like Mother Nature raining a bunch of drops.
Alright, I'm gonna move this one.
It's like a sprinkler. Alright,
Try it.
this is the last attempt I'm gonna try. Then I gotta eat some
And then
lamb.
it's my turn.
And I'm
And after my turn, we're doing it together.
God, I hope it's the water for the big finale.
Actually, the big finale is when we do it together. So after
Yeah.
me, it's when we do it together. After me, it's when we do it together.
Okay, this is my dirty tip. 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, so we're gonna do it together now.
Yep. I got mine here. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Yeah!
I'm so sorry.
That was so cool. I gotta do that again. And we're almost out of water.
We need to try that again.
I'm so sorry. Well, I'm not getting soaked wet, so good for me. Hey. Water.
Anyways, we didn't make the record.
So, and we're out of water. The little bit, the teeny tiny bit doesn't work. So,
Let's dump it out. That will help plants grow. So by dumping a bucket of water on grass,
come
that
on,
is
let's
making
do
the
it
plants
again.
grow. Well, that's all the time we have today, my pizzas. Thank you so much for watching. We did not make the record, but at least we had fun trying.
Do it again?
Kelly, the video's about to end.
Huh?
Alright, so we did not make the record, but we had so much fun trying it. Right? But hopefully next time we'll get the record. And plus, I want it to be a Guinness World Record.
Carter, I want to do it again.
So, guys, make sure you like, you subscribe, you hit that bell every time I post a video. Oh, you will get notified. Like, say a different app, and you see a notification that says Pizza Williams is just posted a brand new video or is doing a premiere. So hit the bell, you'll get a notification. Then comment the word done. DONE. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.